Okay, so I said that I would load in some of my other Shopkins into the So Cool metallic fridge. And that's what this video is. So I showed you the 8 Shopkins, the cup, and then the 6 little eggs. So now we're going to take some of my other Shopkins and put them into the fridge. So I'm gonna go get them real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so I do have a lot of Shopkins. I already picked them out before the video, so that way I wouldn't have to go through all my Shopkins trying to find one that I wanted to put in. So first let's put in some of the metallic ones. I'm going to take Grandin, soda, and Tommy ketchup. And I'm just going to put them in the bottom drawer. So soda is going to go right there in the middle. I'm going to put Grand Jam right there. And then Tommy ketchup right there. So now we have those 3 in the door. Now I'm gonna take some of my other Shopkins because I kind of want my. Oh well, I can take Sippa, and I'm just gonna put Sippa in the refrigerator. I mean the freezer. So yeah, and then left over we have Miss Mushy Moo, this yogurt, Miss Twist, and Apple Blossom. So we are going to put those in later, but right now let's start putting in the ones that we have. So first up, I'm going to put in, well, Cheese Louise. This is Cheese Louise, and she's from the bakery, and she is a ultra rare. So we're going to put her right up here in the top. Can you see that? Right there. Now we're just going to put in toasty bread. We're going to put it right up here. And then we're also going to put in nutty spaghetti. There. And now I'm just going to take Miss Twist, Candy Apple, Wally Water, Sweet Pea, and what was the other one? Wanda Wafer. And now load those in and I'll show you when I'm done. So let's put in Candy Apple, Miss Twist, Wanda Wafer, Wally Water, and then we can put in Peewee Kiwi. I mean, not Peewee Kiwi, Sweet Pea. And there is the top row. So that's the top row. And I'm just going to load these all in and I'll show you when I'm done. So next, well, I'm going to talk through it. So next on the other shelf, I'm going to put in Taco Terry, Lammy Lamington, Croissant Dior, put in dippy avocado. Let's put in the yogurt. And then next to yogurt, let's put in Miss Mushroom. Then on the bottom row, we can put in creamy cookie, Queen of Tarts, patty cake, and sausage sizzle. Next on the front row, we're gonna put apple blossom, Susie sundae, and macaroon. Now I'm gonna squeeze in Wendy wedding cake. So that was our main refrigerator, and that is what it looks like. So we fit a bunch of Shopkins in there. So now in this bottom drawer, I'm gonna put in all the fruits and vegetables, but not all of them, most of them. So I'm putting in wild carrot and a wild carrot and white. So let's put those in. So let's put those in here. Then peewee kiwi, peachy, raspberries, cherry tomato and super celery, asparagus, and posh pear. And that was our bottom drawer. So now I'm just going to slide that in. The avocado fell. And now we have 3 more from the ice cream truck, not counting Wally Water since we put him in the main fridge. So I'm putting in Ice Cream Dream, Kylie Cone, and Popsicle. So I'm just going to put them in this little storage container. So I'm just going to put in Kylie Cone, then Ice Cream Dream, and then last but not least, Popsicle can go right there. So now they're all in there. I'm just going to slide it in. So here is our so cool metallic refrigerator. And I'm happy you guys joined us. So yeah, stay tuned for more episodes, and I hope you like this.